Hello everyone, in this video I will show you easily how to play videos or to use mobile data faster. So the video is loading. I am using my mobile data in 4G and struggling to play, even it's just a 3 minutes video. So the best thing is go to play faster, you go to settings on your iOS device and the mobile data, which is turned on already. So in mobile data, you go to mobile data options, and then you see is voice and data is on 4G. We chose 4G, so try to change it to 3G in order to use internet on 3G faster, which will be faster. Now we change to 3G. Okay, go back to the video. Now it's playing. Straight away we can enjoy and play the video right away with our mobile data, but on 3G option. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.